Hello guys and welcome back to the garage. I was looking for a small sporty wind screen for my Vespa 300 GTS and I found one on Zip. It looks like this. So I never bought this windscreen because it was very expensive. But then one day I was looking on these websites, from China and so on, and I found one looking just like this windscreen. So I ordered one because this one that I found is a third of the price that Zip wants. So I figured I might take a chance. So today we're going to install this windshield on the Vespa, and we're going to see if it seems to be a good quality and so on. Because if you can buy one for a third of the price that's just as good, then that's great. Of course, when buying from a website in China, you don't get a fancy box or anything. This is what you get. And in here we have these brackets and the windscreen itself. These, you can have this in different colors, black, toned and gray I think, and clear also. Here we have it. This will come out something like this, I suppose. So we're going to see if we can fit this. Also, you don't get any instructions on how to mount this, so you have to figure this out yourself with all these parts. Here we have everything. So now I'm going to figure out how this works. Okay, so these brackets, you have holes here. Here, if you can see, one here and one here on the other side. So you'll put this in the hole like that, and then you will turn this inwards, and then this part here will expand and lock it in place. So we have to do that with both ones. So these two brackets were really easy to fit. I haven't tightened them all the way yet because I need to be able to move them when I will install the shield. So I will tighten them more in the end. So here we have all the parts again, and I figured these ones will go into the shield like this, 4 of them, 2 on each side like that, and then this one comes on the inside. And this is going on to the bracket, 2 on each side, like that. And then we have these on the outside, 2 on each side. Of course, 2 screws on each side. And then I don't know, I got 4 more. But let's forget those for now, and we will put these into place, I think. So they'll sit like this. That's 2. I'll put 2 on the other side also. Then we'll take one of these, put it on the inside like that. Take one of these washers here and then screw. Don't tighten it too hard yet, just so it sits there. Now we have 2 in place. We'll do the same on the other side. Now that they are in place, we can try to see if we can get this into place on the brackets. Now I just need to adjust this so it sits straight and everything, and then I can tighten all the screws. Okay, so this is how it came out. The installation was really easy. It's like 10 minutes, so that's good, and I think the quality feels really good. So I can't see any reason to buy one that's 3 times as expensive. And this is how it looks from this end. Now I would rather have gone for the gray one. It would suit this bike better, I think. So this is just a tip for you. Check the other websites, because I think this is probably just as good quality wise as the ones they sell on Zip, and probably it could be the very same one, just unbranded. So that's it for this time. Thank you for watching.